let's take a look at the Flourish sticker kits. These are so beautiful and I can't wait to dive into them with you. Now, there are 7 different sticker kits that you can subscribe to, and they're all different. So I'm going to flip through all of them for you. And like I said already, you can subscribe to each and every one of these. First up, we have our Daisy Weeks sticker kit. These fit perfectly in our Weeks size notebook, or also sized to work if you like to use a Hobonichi Weeks planner. So you have some little decorative elements, some washi strips, and some dates. This is also a vellum sticker sheet, so if you like to have that transparent look or prefer the less bulk, that is an option. We have for the days of the week and a whole lot of the icons. These beautiful strips, they're incredible. Look at that. More of the strips, and these also are little trackers as well. And then lots and lots of little boxes. And we have some headers, we have some trackers, and then some of the very beautiful decorative stickers with the Flourish Collection art. All right, so another week's kit is the monthly calendar sticker kit. And this one is 2 sheets. So you have these that are some headers and some strips, some big boxes, and then also a handful of little functional guys as well. Okay, next up is our Bible journaling sticker kit. So you can see right here, this is just a beautiful sheet of decorative stickers. Then we have some boxes. Look at the little scallops inside the circles, super cute. We have a whole lot of washi type strips, and then some dates, little word strips, forgiven, devotional, his love, just a lot of different ones here, and the same thing here, and then some boxes, labels perhaps. Then we have the alphabet stickers, and these have a very subtle grid on them. Hopefully you can see that. It's really cute and very different. Okay, and then last but not least in this kit, we have the washi stickers, which are so beautiful and also include the watercolor splotches and some washi strips at the bottom too. All right, next up is our classic cousin kit. You can use these stickers for anything, but these boxes do fit in the weekly view of the A5 Hobonichi cousin. So that is something if that is important to you. But like I said, these can be used in any planner. They're just really functional and super pretty. So we have some of these larger boxes and then some labels, and then also these little flags. Same on this page, just obviously different art and different types of boxes. Then here we have checklists and we have trackers, and then we also have these stickers with, so nail appointment, hair appointment, buy food, things like that. Making, you know, the mundane a little bit more beautiful. All right, then we have a sheet of beautiful decorative stickers. Those are gorgeous. And then little strips down here that will also help you not only like label Mother's Day or that type of thing, but you also have to-do list, meetings, that sort of thing. Then we have days of the week, and then we also have little icon stickers too. So cute. And who doesn't always need a little alphabet sticker, or, you know, just maybe you want to write mom or something like that. You can do that with these alphas. We also have the dates and a handful of washi type strip stickers. Now on our, look how beautiful, on our vellum sticker sheet, we have the phrases, some watercolor swatches, and then we also have the washi sticker strips as well. So pretty. All right, so next up is our memory keeping sticker kit. And this one is a great one if you like to scrapbook, you don't want the bulk, or if you use a big happy planner, for example, or the daisy planner as well. The columns are 2 inches wide. And so these stickers, the boxes are also 2 inches wide. So they fit perfectly in those columns. We have some washi strips too, and then also the labels. Washi strips down here. Then we have the dates, we have the little strips. They work wonderfully with photos, but you could obviously use them for journaling or any types of things that you like to use. And then down at the bottom, we also have some more washi strips. And then a whole sheet of beautiful decorative stickers, some alphas. And then our vellum sticker sheet has not only the phrases and the different watercolor splotches, but it also has like a couple, like the little, looks like sewing and the washi tape strip as well. So just a gorgeous sticker kit that is going to look great in any planner you put it in. All right, so now we have our Daisy add-on sticker, and this isn't specific to any sort of project or planner or notebook. It's just a beautiful sticker kit. So we have decorative and then little strips at the bottom. We also have labels and tabs. This is a alphabet set, and this one has a very subtle linen / burlap pattern on it. Again, it's very, very subtle. And then we also have a washi sticker sheet with both the phrases and then the different patterns strips. Okay, and then our last sticker kit, number 7 out of 7, is our planner sticker kit. So we have the sheet of the little, I'm just drawing a blank on what you call these right now, but you know what I'm talking about, the little circles. Mind totally blank. Sorry, guys. All right, so we have our 1.5 inch wide boxes and then also some little strips down at the bottom. We have our checklists and our trackers and our dates. More trackers and some boxes. And then we also have some nice headers and some hydration stickers. Now this one, lots of function here. We have the dates, we have labels, we have boxes, and then we have headers, and then all of these different sort of, I'm not sure what you call them exactly, because they have the icons, but then they also have the phrases too. So, you know, laundry and menu planning and grocery shopping and date night, just, you know, a good mix of chores and then fun stuff too. Then we have a sheet of decorative stickers, super cute. And then last but not least, a sheet of the vellum stickers. We have these swatches down here and then a whole lot of washi strips, which I think are great because I think I love to use washi in my projects, but you don't always need a whole roll. So the washi strips are perfect for getting that. So these are all of our sticker kits, and you can subscribe to any of these or all of them. It's up to you. There are 7 different sticker kits, and these are our Flourish sticker kits. Okay, let's take a look at a handful of the other Flourish Collection subscriptions. These are our dashboards, and you can subscribe to these and you get both the personal size and the A5 size. And contrary to popular belief, these are not only great for planners, they work for so many different things as well. And I think you're going to see that as soon as you see how beautiful these are. I'm going to flip through the A5s just so you can get a better look at them, but the art is the same. They're just scaled differently for the different sizes. Beautiful little monthly page. Look how cute, the little flowers, and then also the butterfly. This stunning green, which also has an ever so slightly distressed quality to it, just very, very subtle. And then the line drawn floral at the bottom. Spring is proof that growth is always possible. As you can see, like, these are gorgeous. You could frame them, you can add them to so many different things. So you absolutely get a lot of different options there. So pretty. And then this one, jot it down. So as you can see, these come with all of these 6 in the A5 and 6 in the personal size. So that is a really fun little beautiful and decorative subscription. And then we also have our washi trio. Now this month, the Flourish washi trio includes these 3. And if I'm not mistaken, this is from the planner kit, the deluxe journaling kit, and the creative kit. So this one is this beautiful floral with these large flowers and this sort of peach, orange, watercolor background. Can you see that? It's beautiful. Then we also have this thinner yellow with the, I don't want to call it dots because it's not really dots and it's not really dashes. It's sort of that loosey-goosey brush stroke on the yellow. And then we also have, I keep calling it like a dizzy floral. It's not really that though, but these little tiny flowers are just so cute on this dark teal color. So that is the Flourish Washi trio. How fun is that? I love the wide variety of colors. It's just really colorful and a whole lot of fun. Okay, then we also have our Flourish subscription stamp set. So as I've already said, you can subscribe to all of these on their own. The stamp set comes in this beautiful clear plastic sleeve. Obviously it has the Cocoa Daisy backing, and then this is a 4x6 stamp set. And Christine always does a beautiful video each month showing some different ideas of how to use these stamps. And as you can see, these are just, they're stunning. A lot of whimsical spring florals that will work great in a whole lot of different projects. And then we also have our Flourish Pouch. This is a beauty. It's a plastic pouch this month. It has the grid, it has the beautiful flowers, and then it says grow stronger. We have a mint green tassel this month. It's really cute. I like that a lot. And then as you can see, it is a clear plastic. And so it just, I love these, the plastic ones specifically, because you can use them for a whole lot of household items as well. You don't only have to use them for creative supplies or that month's supplies. They work beautifully with anything you can dream up. So you can subscribe to all of these from the Flourish Collection. All right, we have a handful of items that coordinate with the Flourish Collection that you're going to be able to purchase as add-ons this month, and we are very excited about these. We love wax seals at Cocoa Daisy. They are a great way to personalize projects, add a little bit of extra beauty and creativity, and we have some wax bead melts that coordinate perfectly with the collection. Now there are 3 different bags. Now this one, for example, as you can see, there's a couple of different colors. There's an orange and a peach included in these wax beads. This is what you'll receive, is this little baggie of the beads. The yellows, it's a similar idea. You'll get a handful of yellow and orange. This is a more like a brighter orange than this orange. I think you can tell that just even looking in the bags, right? Like this one just seems a little bit more corally, salmonish, and this one is this feels like sunshine, right? And then we have these bright pink ones that are so cute. I like this color. It's very, very raspberry, like a beautiful raspberry color. So yeah, those are some fun wax beads that you can melt. If you need the supplies to do that, the little stove and the wax, like the seal itself, the handle and stuff, you can get that in the Cocoa Daisy shop. And then we also have a brand new little head as well. You can just screw this onto the handle that you already have. You can see that. This is a beautiful little butterfly. Look how cute that is. It's just gonna be perfect to use with this collection. Since there's so many florals, the butterflies fit in perfectly. Now last but not least, the other extras we have is, you guessed it, some metal dies. So these are, as I said already, something you can pick up as an add-on to go with your kits. They don't come in any of the kits. And there are several pieces. You have this large fern leaf. This is my hand too for reference. So quite large actually. Let's look at I have a little handy dandy ruler right here. So approximately 6 inches for our American friends and approximately 15 centimeters for the rest of the world. We also have our butterfly, again, a great theme for this collection. And then we have two nice basic, more, I don't want to say office supply, but that's kind of what I think of. We have the label, cute, right? And then we also have this tab. So like for the top of a, you know, any sort of project. So like imagine that's your little paper, you can just put your little tab at the top. Super cute. So yeah, all of these will be available for purchase while supplies last. And they are part of the Cocoa Daisy Flourish collection.